I know I look crazy. I look like Chewbacca right now.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you back.
Hello. Look what I got today. I got a Nadula package. I am not yet sponsored. I have 2 subscribers, one of which is me. So this is out of pocket. Y'all, I was so pleased. Hold on, let me turn you around so you can see. Hey, listen, I was so pleased with my blonde hair that I had tried for the first time. I went and got me another one because the actual blonde wig that I had on the last video when I was doing my nails was a curly wig that I didn't like curly. It was too short curly for me, for blonde. Like, I gotta go long, you know, when it comes to the blonde hair. It just wasn't working curly, period. That's it. So I straightened it, but I was so like feeling the blonde, the straight blonde, that I went and I purchased a Nadula wig. I'm gonna unbox it for you right now, put you down, show you what's in the box, yada yada yada. All right. So y'all know how it goes. You got the little invoice, packing slip, whatever. I paid $236.10 for this unit, I believe. It is 24 inches. Oh, this beautiful like honey ash blonde. So it's 24 inches. This is what we looking like. Do y'all need to come up some? Alright, this is what we looking like. The hair is soft. The ends are what they are. But this is a closure unit, y'all. 6 by 4.5, I believe. Alright, you got your little styrofoam here. This. Alright, so this is the closure. It's already cut, no baby hairs. You do get the option to get baby hairs with it, but I opted not to. I want to do my own baby hairs. Alright, so that's the closure. It comes with a band and this sticky grip, which I like. I also use like a special band, which helps to hold the wig down to the head. But look at that, y'all. Isn't that nice? Alright, so of course we got us some lashes. Way too big. Way too damn big. So you got your little band. They gave me 2. I guess this is for when you put the glue on the closure. Y'all, I'm not really a closure or frontal type of girl. But of course with the blonde you can't have no hair out. So that's that. No idea what... Oh, this is like a little... I guess to get like, when you do your sew-ins or whatever, it kind of cuts the thread. I think that's what that is. These look like HD wig caps, which I like better than the traditional wig caps. Because when I did the blonde wig, I tried both. And then these brushes that they send with the wigs, I have no idea what they're for. You know what I use them for? When I do my own nails, to go like this. By the way, get into these nails. Ain't they cute? Yeah. The press-ons had to come off. I needed something a little bit more stable, a little bit more solid. I came up with this design. It's funky. It looks Asian. Like, I like cherry blossoms. If you see I have like a backdrop in some of my other videos with like a cherry blossom room divider. Anyway. Yeah, y'all, so when I put this on, I'm definitely going to show you how it turns out, how it looks. I might even do like a quick little install for you on camera. Alright, just wanted to unbox this for you, and I'll definitely be back with some type of footage. I'll show you how it goes down. I'm excited. This is Friday, baby. Friday is going down. I'm gonna be what's gonna be my name? I don't know. My name is gonna be something different on Friday. Damani is off the clock. Okay? But look how the color, you know, the color goes nicely with my skin tone, I think. I think it'll definitely be a look, a vibe. So I'm excited. I'll see y'all on Friday. Alright? Now me getting on camera like who did it. Who did it and why. Alright, so it is Friday. And I'm going back to being Kelly Bundy, okay? As promised, I'm doing the blonde wig. What I did do was take out the, I don't like that strap in there. I don't like it. I ain't do nothing else to this wig. Okay? Simply took out the strap. I like these bands instead. This is magic in this. It's like Velcro, so I guess the wig sticks down to it. So I don't know. I'm not a closure frontal girl. This will probably be like the 3rd time in my life that I've ever worn a lace, frontal lace, closure, anything like that. So I'm just going off of what I see on Instagram and TikTok. But I do know that this little bitch works. So here we go. I think that's gonna be good like that. We're gonna do it like this. And the Velcro part ends here. I would like a little tighter, but it's all good. Right? Like this. Make sure it's on even, I guess. Right? Alright. It's on. Now, like this. I think that's gonna work. We gonna see. I'm not a wig girl. I'm about to be though, shoot. I'm about to be. Alright, so here we go. Let's get this bitch on. I use the comb in the back. I'm gonna stick it in. And then, I don't like the combs on the side. I feel like it's ripping out my edges. So here we go. Okay. And I got a big head, so these wigs be fitting. Like that, right? Ooh, nope. Alright. I think this is a good placement for the lace. I know I look crazy. I look like Chewbacca right now. Fucking Chewbacca. Alright. But, yeah. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying about the band? Alright, so she's on. Now, the fun part is gluing this shit. I don't know what the hell. I think it's gonna be good though. I think it's gonna be good. I don't want to get my edges involved too much, but it looks like I'm gonna have to go from here to here with the glue. So I'm gonna do that. I got me some Ghost Bond from the beauty supply store. Child, it says to put 5 coats. I ain't doing all of that. Alright, so shit. Alright. Yikes. I don't want to get my hairline now. But I don't want to go too far up either because I don't like that look. But that's a good blend right there. I already know it's going to melt. I already know. Is that good? You know what? We're just going to do this. We're just going to do this. We're going to start right here. Right? To here. We're going to go from there to there. Now I'm going to pull this bitch back. Like, I'm going to pull it back. Lord help me. Alright. I guess that's good. Ooh. And then, just like this. Now I'll be seeing the girls doing it. This is how I see them do it. I guess it don't matter whether you use this or this. We're going to try. We're going to put, I think 2 will do. I'm going to take it all the way up to that black right there. Oh, no, don't mess up with me now. Come on. Is that good? Is it too thick? Shit. Alright, I'm getting a little bit on the hairs, but whatever. Alright. Here we go. We're going to blow it. Shit, I don't want it to dry. Yeah, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just hoping and praying. I think I put a little bit more. It says 5 thin layers. These are like medium thick layers. So I think 2 medium thick layers should do. And Lord, please don't let me have no bald spots when I come up out this Kelly Bundy. Please. Alright, one more time. Get out of here. Come on now. Yeah, because the blonde is a vibe, yo. The blonde is a vibe. It don't look like a vibe now, but it's definitely a vibe later. Alright, one more. That's the length. I think we good to stick her down now. Y'all, Nadula could do no wrong. I like Nadula. And Nadula, if you happen to come across this video, by God's grace, send me something. I'll do a review. Alright, come on. Let's do this. Oh, God. Am I in? Alright, I think. Come on, please, please, please. Alright, you know what? We're going to... Okay, there you go. Alright, I think I need assistance. No. Please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. Alright, we're going to start on one side. I think I'm making this more difficult than it needs to be. Come on. Alright, there's some hair there. Giving me a hard time now. Alright, one side down. Is it too far? I think it's too far. I think it's too far down. Oh, but it ain't moving, so you know what? It's stuck. It is stuck, bitch. Come on. I cut a little bit of baby here, so alright, we gonna work this out. We gonna have to work this out. That's it. It's blonde. Now, if this was black, I'd have to pull it back. So I don't need that. Look, I got a big forehead. It is what it is. But I'm not trying to kill my edges. See, like, this right here is not doing it for me. Like, all right, come on, baby. Please, please be good to mama. You know what, too? I think I'm gonna, when I go out to go pick up Dante from the train station, I think I'm gonna get me some Got to Be Glue, because this bitch is down, y'all. She's down. She's down. That ghost bond is something else, huh? She's down. A little bit. I like it, though. I like it. It'll work. It'll work. And don't act like I won't cut this lace a little bit, because I will. But, so I see the girls put the little bands on. I'm going to finesse it and come back. Right. Got my little Nadula bands. Come on now. Alright. So, I think it goes like, hold up. Oh Lord, I gotta get to work, y'all. Gotta get to work. But we gonna get this wig on first. Cause once it's go time, it's show time. Alright. And I guess the band just goes on like so. Boom. I'm gonna put a little powder. I'm not doing no plucking or nothing like that. I'm just gonna put some powder here. Some powder, like how I see the girls doing it. Do my baby hairs. And then I'll be back looking like something. Alright, y'all, so I ain't gonna lie. I had to do a little bit of finagling. First go, I put it like up here. I don't like that. So I pushed it back. I had to use alcohol, take it up, put it back down. And what I did do, guys, is I used thinner layers. It is better with thinner layers. It is what it is. That's it. Because I noticed, like, when I put the thick layer, it was, this is the length, by the way. I trim the ends. I don't like them scraggly ends. But, when you do the thick glue, it leaves, like, little glue balls. Like, and if you rub it, like, it's just a hot mess. So, thinner layers are better. I'm seeing you just have to take your time and do it. I did do that off camera. I got Dante getting me some Got to Be Glued. But, yeah. See, you can see it a little bit. You can see a little bit. It's bothering me a little bit. But I'm going to try to finesse it with a little makeup. The spray. Yeah. So, like, I wouldn't go blonde. Dark hair is just me. I was born with dark hair, so it just fits me. So I wouldn't go blonde, but I'll be blonde, if you know what I mean. I'll be blonde for a couple days, you know what I mean? Just have a little fun. Of course, I look better with a little makeup, some lashes, you know, a little blush, little contour, a nice outfit, you know, some jewelry. Right now, I'm plain Jane, no makeup. Blondie for a couple days. All right.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better.